What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome to another video of Buffalo Kennels. And the pups right now. Everybody just got done. We about to start putting everybody back. We just washed everybody, so as y'all can hear, pups is a little anxious and stuff. Whining. This guy is your little self. He didn't like getting washed very much. But you gotta work, man. It's work when you're dealing with these pups. Oh, they're gorgeous, man. Oh my goodness, you are gorgeous. Look at that eye. Ooh. These are all puppies are usually do. These pups are gorgeous. Pups currently are 2 weeks old. Look at that, man. Pups are currently 2 weeks. We're about to start trying to, as y'all seen in the last video when they were 10 days old. So that was 4 days ago. In that video, the pups, they got introduced finally to some meats. Everybody had a little bit of boiled chicken. I took it from Madison's food plate just to see what they would do. And they all ate some, so I'm about to start introducing them to foods more, trying to get them to wean off for everybody to get the weaning process going. You all over here by yourself? She's huge. Godzilla's huge, man. We'll start calling her Kane for right now, though. But as y'all can see, all the pups, yeah, they were whining because they were tired. But now that they bundled up, and I turned this heater all the way on, y'all seeing the lights flickering. Can't wait till they really start moving around. These two right here, man. Ooh, excuse the hand. Like them two right here, these. Look at them. Oh my goodness, he is gorgeous. Like a T-Rex. A little Rex. Kind of like a Mastiff, though. Like, oh. Them two right there gonna be the future. They the future for me, man. Look at that. I know this video gonna be kind of short. I'll probably do a video tomorrow on how I make them go to the bathroom. You'll hear that clattering in the back. Madison is eating breakfast. Just make sure that, oh yeah, here you go. Just make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more puppy content, American Bully content, and etc. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this boy. I'm really obsessed with him. Like, just look at his dome. Look at that boy's head, that headpiece. Just magnificent. Still trying to figure out, I know, I was about to cut this video off, but I'm still trying to figure out, is this guy. I think we actually have a cryptic merle inside the litter. This big guy, well, the brown front. He has like spotting, as y'all can see, along his body. I'm gonna call him King for right now. Jeez, man, it sounds like it's going. That big, beautiful. Y'all see how big he is. But she's just these 3 pups. 1, 2, and 3. And him, because he got he got that cryptic merle. I think there was 1, 2, 3, 4 pups. They might have to stay in the camp. But everybody else is available. Of course, little Miss Reese's thought that she was gonna go. So, started tube feeding her. We put her in the incubator that we got. And she actually made it. Excuse me, sir. Sir. You, yes. Having a nightmare? Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more American Bully content. Sorry, I was moving. Yeah, but for more American Bully content.